Welcome back here to Punta Cana, or you can see from a very windy beach today, you requested. I'm here at the beach of the Impressive Resort in El Cortecito, and it's down this way where I'm going now. I'm just telling you where we are now because it's really windy and I'm not sure if even my very good microphone can work with this wind. Okay, let's check out the Seaweed situation here at the Bavaro beach. Just next to the Impressive, if you have an Airbnb in this road just next to the hotel, here is as well a beach club, Zoho. I personally don't like it too much. I think they're too expensive, and it's expensive but not worth it. But there are other people that like it here, so if you come, check it out. Maybe you like it. By the way, today is July 2nd, and we're walking to the beach now here at Impressive. Yeah, I wish I could show you something more beautiful, but this is how it looks here at the beach of Impressive. And as there is not too much seaweed in the water is brownish. And it doesn't look so nice. Yeah, as I said, it's quite windy today. They are predicting rain for, I think, a whole week now. We're still waiting for it, but everybody says now tonight it's coming. I think I mentioned it already. Today is July the 2nd, 2022, and we are here at the Impressive Punta Cana Beach Resort. At the beach. It looks like if we are going further here to the Vista Sol, which by the way is the direction that we walk anyway, it looks like there suddenly is like a cut and the water gets turquoise. But it can be because it's around the corner that we don't see everything. The little fish here at the beach of the Impressive gives you information about how important actually is the seagrass, even if you don't want to see it. I probably should not, but I will try to get the drone up so that we can see the beach a little bit into the deep. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite windy. I even put the backpack in front of the drone, so because the sand is flying and I don't want to have the sand all inside, even so it looks like it's already happening. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Gimbal motor overloaded. The gimbal couldn't take it. The drone was flying, but the gimbal couldn't move anymore. Well, it is what it is. So a short check here at the Vista Sol beach. Seagrass check. And I thought like, oh man, there's someone flying with this drone. He got a better drone than I have, but it's a helicopter. Bueno, you can see it is further, it is closer here, the turquoise water, the nice green color, the Caribbean color, and you always have the feeling you just have to walk a little bit more and then you are there where it's only green. I'm not sure if this is true. Now it looks like it's behind the Vista Sol. Yeah, most of the sunbeds here are empty. If it's windy like this, most of the people prefer to stay at the pool so they don't get the sand blown everywhere. There's another speedboat, and you see over there, the color is changing still. When you walk in here, it's brownish, but it's less than over there at the Impressive Resort. And with this wind, we have to see how it's tomorrow. Look at this. Vista Sol, July 2nd, 2022. Let's walk back. Yeah, let's walk back and wait for the rain. You now have an idea. First of all, how our weather prediction works. Doesn't work at all. It always says rain and then it's not coming. But maybe tonight it's coming. Everybody says tonight it's coming. So let's see if we have rain tonight. Would be very good for our buggy excursion because it's very dry out there. So a little rain would be nice. You've seen now the beach, Vista Sol and Impressive here at the Bavaro beach, El Cortecito. The hotels are just next to each other. And so you have an idea. I say goodbye. I go back now to my desk and work. I did put the bikini because I thought like, oh, I go to the beach and I quick jump in. But it's so windy that when I go wet on my motorbike, I really don't think that's a good idea. Okay, I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you got a little idea and I maybe helped you for your decision to do.
Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño.